What you doing, Chloe? You gonna have some pizza? You should eat the sausage, silly, not fling it into the couch. You're taking good bites.
Real piece of pizza ever.
Yeah, it's the first time we didn't have to cut it up for you. Look at you all big and stuff. Chloe, is that good pizza? Yummy.
Hey, she's taking bites. That's what they said she needed to do something.
I love you, Toots. You're doing good.
Good girl.
Nice crunchies. Good job.